Can this reach further? Yeah. Ready, Hen?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
It's too short for me, huh?
Should I mush it back? Yeah, we could both crouch down. Let's just start over. We can start down and pop up. Hello. You went up.
How are we doing it?
Yeah.
All right, YouTube. Today we are making
Starbucks drinks at home. We show you how to make your favorite Starbucks drink at home. Real talk for a second. We all miss our regular things. Like, I used to get Starbucks before work every day. I miss getting my nails done. My eyelashes are falling out. I had eyelash extensions, let me clarify. So I needed something to make me feel a little bit more normal. Whatever normal is.
and I like to get Frappuccinos from Starbucks, so we're gonna give it a go and see if this works.
We'll see how it tastes. Okay, so what do you like to drink at Starbucks?
The Mocha Frappuccinos.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we iced some coffee. So this is iced coffee right here. And we're gonna pour it into our blender. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so bad at this. Oh,
Hey,
I did it. It should be good.
do
Okay,
you put like ice and stuff in it?
do you want ice? The reason why I didn't put ice in is because then it waters it down.
Well, doesn't it have to be like a Frappuccino though? Like an icy drink instead of just like an iced coffee?
Yeah, put some ice in here. So I also saw online that you could put coffee into those like ice cube holders and then freeze them, and then that way you have coffee ice. Then you just blend those and it's not watery.
That's probably not enough ice, but it'll do.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're going to put some of your Hershey's chocolate syrup to make that mocha flavor. If I can open it. Okay, and tell me when.
It's probably good right there.
Okay. Then what you're going to do.
I wonder if I need to put more ice. Probably a little more ice.
Yeah, put a little more ice. Got the cap.
All right.
And you're good with the chocolate syrup?
Yep.
Okay. Ta-da. Now put the cap. Seal her up nice and tight. And then push that button.
Ooh, this is looking good.
It's
Okay.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. And now,
Oh.
it's exploding from the top.
You got it?
No,
Does it just?
I think it's a
on?
twist. Yeah, twist. No, twist. Yeah.
Apparently, we can't be Starbucks employees because
Don't hire us.
you wouldn't get your drink.
Holy cow. Well, how does it taste?
It actually tastes almost spot on.
Really? Okay, now pour it into your little cup. And I'll
So
top her off.
I take that back. You can hire us. It's just you guys are gonna have
A messy kitchen.
a messy kitchen.
Nice, hun.
Okay.
Now what you're gonna do,
Wait, is it not done?
put some whipped cream on top.
Oh,
Can't
Don't
have
mind. Don't mind this mess.
Starbucks Frappuccino without whipped cream. Yeah, I'll go find him. While you're at it, you can give your dog a puppuccino too, because that's all puppuccino is whipped cream.
That's perfect.
Nailed it.
Does it taste the same? I wish I could try it. It's got milk in it. Yeah?
It's pretty close.
Wow. All right.
Doable.
It's doable. It'll pass for a Starbucks drink for now. Okay. My drink is actually one of Starbucks' brand new drinks, and it's the golden drink. I just don't get mine with coconut milk or the milk options that they give you. I actually went a couple weeks ago and got it with lemonade. Let me tell you, it is so good. Right, hun?
Yeah.
How many times have I gotten it and you try to drink my drink?
Every single time.
Every single time. So, I'm gonna try and make their golden drink the way I remember it tasting. I haven't had one in about a week or two. So some lemonade. We'll do half. And we'll do some pineapple juice.
I didn't know there's pineapple juice in it.
Yeah. And then, look, it's already turning the color.
Oh yeah.
You need some ginger. I just bought this, so I don't think it's open. Strong.
Do you need the blender?
Nope. I'm gonna use my spoon, which I forgot to grab. I went in the room and I was like, I know I'm supposed to be grabbing something, I just don't know what. That was it. I'm supposed to grab the spoon out of my little cup.
Where is it?
Just on the nightstand. Or,
Wait, a spoon?
no, my straw.
Oh, you're saying spoon.
Was I?
Supposed to grab the spoon out of my little.
I meant straw. Okay, so that's the ginger. And you also need some turmeric. I really hope I do this right because it's such a yummy drink. If I could do it by myself. Now I'll give it a mix. Thanks, huh? At Starbucks, they have those really fancy shaker things. Thought about getting one at Walmart, but I passed on the option. It's the same color, right?
It's a little darker. You might have went a little overboard on the ginger.
Pretty close, actually. It's got that same spice. Pretty close.
Yeah.
I think I could have done a little bit more lemonade. Maybe I'll add some more lemonade to it.
So obviously, we're the off-brand Starbucks.
But it's really freaking close. Like it passes.
It is.
Oh, there we go. That's more
It's
the color.
pretty. Yeah, it's pretty close on both of the drinks.
Nailed it.
I mean, honestly, it'll just get you through until you can actually have the real deal.
So if we started a business, we'd have to charge $2 cheaper than Starbucks because we're not quite legit.
Now it tastes like it.
It does. That's actually pretty close.
Golden drink. So if you go to Starbucks, when you can go to Starbucks, get the golden drink with lemonade instead of coconut milk. This is gonna be really good. Wow.
I need to stir mine.
You need to mix it. But anyway, we thought we'd bring some normalcy to your quarantine days and teach you how to make some Starbucks drinks at home. We hope it was helpful. Kenny's going to shout out 3 of our Instagram followers
All right, let's see.
while I clean up a little bit.
All right, I'm just gonna scroll. I'm gonna scroll towards the bottom.
All right.
All right, we got Gianna SWH. We got fan page Charlie,
Like Charlie D'Amelio.
or fan page Charlie,
Oh.
and we've got M_Peterson.
What up, you 3?
Sweet.
Thanks for following us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, comment below. Anything else you'd like to see us do. But until next time, we're gonna be enjoying our Starbucks drinks at home.
Yes, we are.
See ya.